ki jingja sha thombor jong ka police station ki jingsha thang ki kali pulet ki jingsha lun mau jong ka ying jok menteri sorkar hawei breu ki de ke bomla satya ban pediang la ong usumbot menteri rang ba sorkar jela ba preston ten song ha bakan yagani hakmat kilat pathai kubor utai usumbot menteri rang ba ulong bagi pulit kilakem ya unong kam SNIEW baka jing ket kerang ya sakmat manakaliang jong ka sorkar rang abi ka kai phot haswa ban ya sakmat wala ban rap ru dak baong bakum kini jingja nakaliang ka sorkar kan omai lak setia bat ka an ken sim yala ka jong ka bentah.
The police station was attacked means there is no law and order. There is. And now whatever happened that night, midnight, where ultimately the miscreants, unknown miscreants, they burned even the official vehicle of police. And number two, again, a person which I personally feel maybe, I don't know, mentally not that stable, attack the minister's residence. It is very, very unfortunate. But what happened was, police was already there, arrested him, and now the investigation is still on. So let us see what report or what is to be done next. But let me just tell you, be it that incident happened in the police station or be it that incident happened in our honorable minister's residence, law will take its own course and we will not allow such incident to recur. Police are on job, and I think I don't need to deliberate much about this issue, but you will be known. Who are the real people involved? That you will be known sooner or later. So join with us. Let us walk together. We'll make sure that our Shillong, one day, sooner or later, one day, you can even eat the whole night. You can even walk the whole night. You can even walk the whole day. So that is the intention of the government. We wanted to make sure that Shillong city is a city who never sleeps.